Hey guys, welcome to another video. Josh here. I hope you're doing good. Today I'll be showing you how to sort your videos by the duration. Now this is something on macOS that's annoyingly hidden because you're allowed to sort by size, title pretty obviously, but you have to do something extra to sort by duration, essentially sorting by the length of the video, which would make it easy when you're sorting through lots of videos from maybe a trip, or if you're working with video files or whatever it is and you just want to figure out which videos are longer, which ones are shorter. This tip will help you. So let's dive right in and see how you do that. So the first thing you want to do is go on Finder. Now one thing you notice on your Finder window is up top in the center you'd see these 4 buttons. So these are how you'd sort normally. So you can view as icons, you can view as a list, you can view as columns, and you can view in this sort of system. Now to get this particular option to sort by duration, you need to click on the second one, which is show the items as a list. So you need to list them as a list. So now you can see up top, you see these columns, and at the top of the columns you can see name, so you can sort by name. You can see date modified, size, and kind. Now what you want to do is click on any of them, right click on any of them, and you'd see more options. Now what you notice is you don't have the option to sort by duration. You have date created, last opened, added, version, comments, tags, etc., but you don't have the option to sort by duration, and this is really annoying. Okay, so what you actually want to do is go back to the previous folder where these files are located. For me it's in this orchestra folder. So what I'll do is make a new folder, and you have to name this folder movies. Now copy all the files into this new folder, and then you go back in and reselect the second option. Now once you've done that and you right click again, you can see additional options. So now you can sort by dimensions. So you can sort by the dimensions of the actual video, you can sort by duration, you can sort by codecs as well, but duration is what we're after, so click on that. And now you can see we can actually sort by durations, where the longer videos are up top and the shorter videos are at the bottom. So I hope that was helpful. It's really annoying that Apple's done it this way, but if you've been looking for that option, now you know you don't have to pay for any fancy software. All you need to do is just copy all the videos you'd like to sort, drop them into a new folder, rename that new folder movies. Very important, the folder has to be named movies to enable you to then go back in, sort the items as a list, and then you get the option to sort them by duration. And yeah, so that's that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Take care.